Hello guys, today I show you how to install WPS Office. So before you install, you must turn off the Wi-Fi here. Wi-Fi turn off, and you turn off the antivirus. For me, it's Defender. Sorry. Just type here Defender. Defender setting here, yeah. Just turn off here, turn off. So for this file, you can chat to me, I will send it to you. Just right click, open here. After you install, yeah. Click yes here. I accept here. Click and install now. Just do waiting, yeah. Okay, well done. Just get started. Launch WPS. So I will launch for you. So no need to click this. Just click on this cross. Yeah, you can open file and blank file. You can start writing, yeah, your document. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe for more.